Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing. I got this package actually before I went on vacation to Italy, but I was too busy to unpack it and now I'm doing it now. This was on sale, I would say last month, and I am so far behind on unboxings, so let me show you. Let me just jump right in. It comes in this box. Ooh, I love this box. Oh my goodness. How cute. Yes. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Cult Gaia, I think. Gaia, it's pronounced. Anyways, everyone on Instagram has this bag. And I'm really late to the game, but I don't want to spend $175 or however much it costs for this bag. I instead paid, let me just show you what I paid, $53.40. Yes, $53.40. It was on an Intermix mega sale last month. And let me just open it. Oh my god, look. Oh my god. It fits perfectly into the box. I can't even believe it. Oh my god, it's in the summer white color and I am dying. Ah, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is so cute. I can't even believe how cute it is. Let's get this little tag out of the way. Okay, so the original retail price was $158. Do you see that? But I got it for $54. Oh my goodness. It opens up like this. Look at the interior. Oh my goodness. It is so stinking cute. I can't even deal with this right now. Oh my gosh. And it's made out of wood. And it's all white. And it is going to be perfect for summer. Yes. So cute. So yeah, don't settle for paying retail. You can find like things on trend for like a fraction of the cost. I would never buy this retail. Like honestly, I would never spend $158 for this. But I would spend $54 for this because it's so stinking cute. And I just waited, like I've been wanting this for over a year, and I just waited till finally I saw a sale. And I jumped on it and I got this for such a good deal, and you can stay on trend as well. I mean, I hate spending a ton of money on trend items because this is probably not going to be trendy in about a year or so, but like for $54, yes girl, yes. Thank you for watching my unboxing. I hope you like unboxings like this. Follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul and hit the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye!